a journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. Today's maintenance is cleaning a glass top stove. The cleaning procedure as described by the stove's manufacturer was used and with excellent results. Nevertheless, the procedure forgot circles around the burners or marks. The typical procedure is: remove burnt on ingredients with a scraper, as shown. Clean the glass surface with a water-damp cloth. Clean the glass surface with a scrubbing pad and abrasive cleaner and polish supplied by the stove's manufacturer. This time, the cleaning will be done with a polisher equipped with a scrubbing pad. The polisher is typically used in car detailing and will give me far more scrubs per unit of time than by hand. This is my second time using a polisher. Is this a good idea? I look forward to your comments. Adding water to aid lubrication. A few minutes into the procedure, the marks were mostly removed. Continuing the procedure removed all the marks. Nevertheless, instead of showing this, there are some observations to be aware of. During the polishing, the glass surface became hot. The cleaner dried prematurely. Nevertheless, it worked. The premature drying made it a tad harder to buff the surface to a shine. Another observation is setting the polisher speed above 6,000 RPM causes the polish to splash, creating a mess. The cleaning of the stove is not complete. You may notice the stove counter gaps look shabby and in need of maintenance. This is for another video, and on that bombshell, my acknowledgements for viewing. A thumbs down or preferably a thumbs up will tell me how I did in this video. Finally, follow the journey of Maintaining 18. The day is won.